Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2025 Themed Automotive GDG44 case. So this is Walmart exclusive here in the United States. This one is the L case. So this is your Tooned Gulf racing mix. So this actually came over from a friend of mine who ordered this case online. And since these sets do come two to a case, 5 cars, 10 cars total, he decided to send this one to me so I can unbox it for you for the OTD YouTube channel and share it on OrangeTrackDiecast.com, and in turn send him a set. So thank you to Tim. Shout out Tim. And here we go. Let's look at the mix here. So this is a brand new case. I don't even know if these have started appearing in my local stores yet. I don't think so. I haven't seen them anywhere. All right, first one out of the case is the Tooned 83 Chevy Silverado. So obviously the popularity of the Tooned, or the 83 Chevy Silverado, led to the Tooned 83 Chevy Silverado. Of all these cars are done in that Nopo style, kind of the shortened base with the elonged like windshield with the, lots of headroom. So that was obviously a style that the late Ryo Sato brought to the Hot Wheels brand. One of the many major contributions he did for Hot Wheels, and introducing us to this Nopo style. And we've actually seen several diecast companies actually start to hold on to this trend. I think there was the cartoon brand is basically based off of this whole trend. So but yes, very cool to see Hot Wheels still doing this strong. We get a Tooned Assortment, which is actually a very popular style, and we get it in one of the most popular liveries there are to date in the Hot Wheels lineup. It's Gulf Racing. So very cool with the tuned kind of 70s style lettering. And yeah, just a very nice set here. So the Tooned 83 Chevy Silverado is number 3 in this mix. The next one on the case is number 5 of 5. The Tooned Supra, 1994 or 94 Toyota Supra. We get shout out to the MK4 here in the artwork. So this one is in white. Very nice to see full deco on here. Obviously, these cars, I don't think anybody thought we'd see them outside the main line, or their basics at least. But we do see them here. And look at that. We are seeing this casting with a metal base, metal body. So will we see this in premium? Because this is a new base on this casting. That is very interesting. Plastic base on the Silverado, but the 94 Toyota Supra is metal on metal and very nice looking. So look out for that one on the pegs, and maybe in the premium line coming up. All right, next one. These are some nice surprises. I love doing these unboxing and kind of uncovering these kind of things. The next one on the case is number 2 of 5, the 70 Dodge Charger. So the Supra obviously has worn Fast and Furious deco. The Charger's worn Fast and Furious deco, kind of released as those. Now we're seeing it in Gulf, and we're seeing it with, you can't argue a full detail on Hot Wheels cars in general. Number 7 here, we've got Gulf. So we got number 9. Just seeing if there was a numbering pattern here. But again, very fantastic artwork here. Dodge Muscle, Tuned, Foot 40, Charger RT. And yeah, just a light blue color. You get those Silver Series wheels and plastic base here. So far, only surprise is the Supra with the metal base, which is very intriguing. Next one out of the case, we get number 1 of 5, Tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1. So this one comes in a dark blue. Get those. I love those cast 5 wheels. I don't think we've seen a small version of these cast 5 wheels just yet, but these wheels have to be among my favorite Hot Wheels basic or semi-premium plastic wheels, whatever you want to call them, to date. They just look great. And yep, full detail on the front, back, plastic base. But again, this Nopo style, I've toyed around the idea of collecting the Nopo style cars. I think I'm going to go with the first release of every version of it, or at least unless it's like there's a more favorable release of that car. But yeah, I'm definitely collecting the Nopo style. Very, just, I remember one of my last conversations with Rio was about the Nopo style cars that he had introduced to Hot Wheels, and how he had more on the horizon. Obviously, he didn't get to finish those, and others started doing them, from the Hot Wheels design team, and it's awesome to see this legacy kind of carried on. One of many, obviously, that I pointed out, but just to see this, continue and be, have collectors love it. Like I think, Ryu is definitely smiling at the fact that, collectors love this style car that, he brought basically from his childhood into, a line of Hot Wheels that are, shared worldwide with people of all, places. So we got the Manga Tuner. This was, I think this is actually the first Nopo style Hot Wheels car that Rio introduced. So that was in red, right? The red one with the yellow stripe, and obviously based off of Junimai's manga, no, Mad Manga, right? Yeah, the Mad Manga. So you get obviously the exhaust, the bazooka style exhaust in the back. Yeah, I mean, the car looks tuned to begin with, and the fact that it's kind of like a double tuned car. But Manga Tuner in Gulf livery. So great mix. Not sure if this is something I would collect long term, but again, I am just in love with these Nopo style cars, and like I said, I'm collecting one of each car for sure. I probably will end up collecting more, but again, this series is pretty cool, and I can't wait to see it at Walmart and see what collectors think of it. Obviously, the Tooned style is popular, as well as the Golf livery. Are you collecting it? Let me know. Let's talk in the comments and see if you're collecting it, if you're collecting because it's Golf, if you're collecting because it's Tooned, if you're collecting because it's both, or if you're collecting because you just love to collect everything that's Hot Wheels. All right, we'll talk to you there. Bye.